How to enable or remove WhatsApp Android tablet split. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your WhatsApp application from your device and tap on three-dot icon, then go ahead and tap on settings. At this page, tap onto chats, and here you will see side-by-side view. Toggle it off, and that will fix your problem. If you cannot view side-by-side options, then tap onto settings. Make sure that you have enabled developer options in your settings. Here search for width as it is, so you will see minimum width under developer options. Tap open it. By default, it might be set to 411. Go ahead and set it to 511, then tap on OK, and that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.